In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to carry out futures demo trading on the Weex exchange. And this is coming as a request from one of you from Telegram who wants to know how to trade demo futures using the Weex exchange. Now, for those of you who may be wondering why demo trading comes in, there are a lot of reasons why people trade demo. For instance, if you are just starting out and you want to learn futures trading, the best place to start from is demo trading. And if you have been trading and you have a strategy that you want to actually see how accurate that strategy is, then the best place to practice that will be on a demo account. So if you want to start trading demo using the Weex exchange, the first thing you want to do down here where you see all of these menus, you see home, you see market, you see futures, trade, and asset. You want to go to the futures option. And once you click that, it brings you to this page right here. By the way, let me let you know that with Weex exchange, you can trade up to 400x. You can trade BTC with up to 400x. So if I want to trade demo, I just go up here to where I have BTC USDT, click on the arrow there, and it will bring you to this page. So for all of your favorite tokens, this is where you'll be seeing them. And if you want to trade spot, you just switch to the spot option or you click on this option right here. So since we are trading demo, the first thing we want to do is to make sure that we switch to the futures trading option. And once we click on the futures trading option right here, you want to make sure that you switch to the demo option. So go ahead and click on the demo option. And currently, you can only demo trade futures on the Weex exchange with only BTC pair and Ethereum pair. So these are the only two pairs that are available for demo trading on the Weex exchange. So any of these that you want to go with, you go ahead and click on it. So let's go with the BTC option. So once I click on BTC, by default, you will have $50,000 right here that you can practice with. And once this money begins to diminish, once you start losing it, okay, you can click on this plus icon to request for additional money. So if I go ahead and click on the plus icon right here, you can see that I can request up to $5,000 right here to add to what I have already. And this money will be credited within 72 hours. All right. So that is only when you have finished up the $50,000 that they give you right here. Okay. And with the demo trading, you can equally go up to as high as 200x leverage trading demo on the Weex exchange. So whatever that resonates with you, go ahead and select it. I always like sticking with 20x. My leverage is always between 10 and 20x leverage. And at times I can go as low as 3 or 5x leverage, depending on the particular pair that I'm trading for. But for BTC, it's between 10 and 20x leverage. The same thing with Ethereum. So once you've done your analysis, you can go ahead. If, for instance, I want to buy BTC, I can go ahead and say I want to use a slider to select 1% or 2% or 5%. Let's go with 3% of the capital I have right here. Okay. And say I'm buying with market order. Okay. And I'm using 3% of this capital, which is 45K. And I can go ahead and set TP and SL if I want to by checking that right there. So right here, I'll put the TP price, I'll put the SL price. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I'll just go ahead with market order, just open a long trade with 3% of the capital that I have there. So I just go ahead and click on that and order has been placed successfully. So if I come down here, I'll switch to the position option. If it is pending orders, you always see them right here. But since it is a position that I entered with market order, you always see it here, right? So you can see right here with a 20x leverage, I'm risking about 1,300 in this trade. And as the market continues to go, you'll be seeing the profit change right here. So now that I've placed a trade with that setting, stop loss and SL, if I want to do that in the trade that is running already, I can go ahead and click on the set TP and SL option right here, and I can put in my price. And I go ahead and click on confirm, and that will take care of the TP and SL option. If I want to close this trade, I can use the close option. If I use the close option, I have the option to close, from 10, 20, 30, or 100% of the position that I have here, right? I can go ahead and close everything, or I can use the flash close option to just close the trade immediately, right? So after that, you are good to go. Now, when you want to carry out analysis, you want to do your chart analysis all within the app, you just go ahead and click on the candle icon right here, and that will switch you to the BTC trading prayer option right here, the candlesticks rather. Okay, so from here you can jump from one time frame to the order to do your top-down analysis. And once you are okay, you can equally trade on the chart right here, right? You can equally trade on the chart. So if I go ahead and stretch this out to zoom it out, if for instance I looked at the chart before taking this trade, I can decide to say, okay, if BTC drops to this level right here, okay, where I just moved that to, you can see right here, and then you see this plus icon right here. So I can just go ahead and click on the plus icon. If I click on the plus icon, this pops up. So I can now go ahead. If this is not the exact price that I need, I can go ahead and just delete that and add in the price that I need right there. So if I go ahead and remove this, I can say, okay, when it gets to 87, let's say 87, 100 or thereabout, okay? And then I will add the amount that I want to enter that trade with. Okay, another way to do that is to just use a slider right here. So you can use a slider and say, okay, you want to use 10, 25% of the funds that you have here, and go ahead and take that trade. Then you go ahead and click on open, buy, okay, or sell. So once you click on buy or sell, then it will automatically replace. Once that is done, you now have the option to go back to your orders right here. If you place it as a limit order, you will see right here. And from here, you can go ahead and set your TP and SL if you want. So that is how easy it is. That is the step-by-step guide on how to trade futures using the demo account on the Weex exchange. So if you have any question, you can use the comment section for that. And you can join us on Telegram. The link will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio for that, for everyday signal and for some educational content that you don't want to miss out on. So use the link in the video description or check out my bio for that. So that is it, guys. It's as simple as that. That is a step-by-step guide on how to carry out demo futures trading using the Weex exchange. If I want to switch to Ethereum pair, I can just go ahead and click on this icon right here. Okay, so you just go ahead and click on that, and right here on the futures option, switch to demo, and then you can select Ethereum, and that is basically it. So I can go ahead and equally take a trade on this if I want to. So that is it for this video, guys. If you are new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new videos like this, and don't forget to join us on Telegram for daily signals, free daily signals, and I'll see you guys in my next video.